Hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss about various multiple choice questions related to gastroretentive drug delivery system. First question is, in effervescent gas generating system, the floating is due to option A sodium bicarbonate, option B citric acid, option C tartaric acid, option D all of the above. In effervescent gas generating system, the floating is due to, correct answer is all of the above. Option D is the correct answer. In effervescent gas generating system, the floating is due to all of the above: sodium bicarbonate, citric acid or tartaric acid. Question number 2. In which system of gastroretentive drug delivery system, the retention of device in the stomach is due to external magnet? Option A swelling system, option B floating system, option D mucoadhesive system, option D magnetic system. Correct answer is option D magnetic system. In the magnetic system of gastroretentive drug delivery system, the retention of device in the stomach is due to external magnet. Question number 3. Which is not the approach of gastroretentive drug delivery systems? Option A floating, option B high density system, option D osmotic pump, option D swelling system. Correct answer is option C osmotic pump. Osmotic pump is not the approach for gastroretentive drug delivery systems. Question number 4. Microballoon is the types of gastroretentive drug delivery system. Option A floating system, option B high density system, option C mucoadhesive system, option D none of the above. Correct answer is floating system. Microballoon is the floating type system of gastroretentive drug delivery systems. Question number 5. In gastroretentive drug delivery system, the device may dash A float on the gastric fluid, B settle in the stomach, C enlarge in the size, and D all of the above. Correct answer is D all of the above. In gastroretentive drug delivery system, the device may be float, may be settle or may be enlarge in the size. So correct answer is the D all of the above. Question number 6. In mucoadhesive drug delivery, which polymers are used? A mucoadhesive polymer, B hydrophilic polymer, C enteric-coated polymer, D hydrophobic polymer. Correct answer is option A mucoadhesive polymer. In mucoadhesive drug delivery system, mucoadhesive polymer are used. Question number 7. Drug release from microporous drug delivery system is by dash the mechanism. Option A dissolution, option B diffusion, option C both dissolution and diffusion, A and B, and option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B diffusion. Drug release from microporous drug delivery system is by diffusion the mechanism. Question number 8. In gastroretentive drug delivery system, the retention of device in the stomach is due to swelling, floating, addition, and all of the above? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 9. In absorption theory, the addition is due to the van der Waals forces, hydrogen bond, option C A and B, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C A and B. In absorption theory, the addition is due to the van der Waals force and hydrogen bond. That's why the correct answer is C, A and B. Question number 10. In the swelling system, the swelling may occur because of hydrophilic polymers, B. hydrogel, C. hydrophobic polymer, D. none of the above. Correct answer is B. hydrogel. In swelling system, the swelling may occur because of hydrogels. Question number 11. Gastroretentive drug delivery is option A, an approach to prolong gastric residence time, option B, targeting site-specific drug release, option C, release the medicament in the upper GIT or systemic effect, and option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 12. Which one is not the example of effervescent component? Which one is not the example of effervescent component? Option A, sodium bicarbonate, option B, chitosan, option C, citric acid, option D, tartaric acid. Correct answer is option A, chitosan. Chitosan, option B, chitosan is not the effervescent component. Question number 13. In an inflatable system that gasify at the body temperature to cause the chamber to inflate in the stomach. Option A, liquid ether, option B, liquid phenol, option C, citric acid, option D, tartaric acid. Correct answer is option A, liquid ether. In an inflatable system, liquid ether that gasify at the body temperature to cause the chamber to inflate in the stomach. Question number 14. Gels forming hydrophilic polymers are. Gels forming hydrophilic polymers are A, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, B, hydroxypropyl cellulose, C, sodium carboxy methyl cellulose, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 15. Drawback of gastroretentive drug delivery system is A, improved drug absorption, B, fluctuation in the drug concentration is reduced, C, unsuitable for the drugs, those are unstable in the acidic environment, option D, targeting site-specific drug release. Correct answer is option C, unsuitable for the drug, those are unstable in the acidic environment is the drawback of gastroretentive drug delivery system? Question number 16. Examples of inert materials used in high density gastroretentive drug delivery system is option A zinc oxide, option B iron oxide, option C barium sulfate, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Zinc oxide, iron oxide, barium sulfate are the inert materials that is used in high density gastroretentive drug delivery systems. Question number 17. Following are the materials commonly used for the bioadhesion except chitosan, B sodium bicarbonate, C tragacanth, and D sodium alginate. Correct answer is option B sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is not used for the bioaddition. Thank you all. We will continue in the next session. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.